slice logs like a lumber god. 36 inches BeastMode portable sawmill with V-twin Vroom, 10 blades and e-start. Ready to kiss chainsaws goodbye and cut like a sawmill rockstar? The MechMaxx SM36 Max is your personal log-slaying gladiator, equipped with a mighty 25 HP V-twin engine and 36 inches cutting width that eats hardwood for breakfast. With a 20-foot track and electric start, this portable powerhouse turns backwoods into boardrooms of premium lumber. It's not just a sawmill, it's your new favorite coworker, except this one doesn't complain or take coffee breaks. Whether you're in the middle of nowhere or your own backyard, this rig slices logs smoother than a TikTok life hack video. What makes the SM36 Max stand out? Let's talk raw power, precision, and sheer work ethic. Its electric start 750 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine starts smoother than your uncle's best fishing story. With a cutting length of 16 feet 8 inches and log diameter up to 36 inches, you'll convert timber into gold, or cedar shelves, with efficiency that puts traditional chainsaws to shame. Bonus? It includes 10 saw blades and a flipwood hook, because MechMaxx doesn't play small. And with a 6.3-gallon tank, you're running long and strong. Add the ruler-measured precision? You're now the Picasso of planks. This sawmill is no clunky relic. It's built smart, with safety at heart. The emergency stop button is close enough to slap if something goes sideways, while the spiral log clamps hold your timber tighter than grandma's cookie jar. The cutting thickness is fully adjustable with a smooth-turning, multi-locking handle. Cut at your pace, your style, your standard. Even better? That carbon steel blade spins at 787 inches per second, giving you fine cuts without flying chips. Less mess, more finesse. Let's talk time and money. Traditional cutting tools? They're slow, messy, and expensive in the long run. The SM36 Max halves your cutting time, reduces waste, and delivers pro-grade results without paying pro shop prices. It works for homeowners, sawyers, carpenters, and dreamers with a forest and a vision. Whether you're building a deck, a tiny cabin, or Instagram-worthy slab furniture, this machine makes sure your wood looks like $1 million, without costing it. In terms of durability, this beast is practically immortal. From its belt-driven clutch system to its rugged frame and tubeless tires, it's built to withstand long hours, heavy workloads, and Mother Nature's tantrums. And with MechMaxx's killer track extensions and support, you're backed by a brand that actually gives a damn. If you're serious about wood, stop renting leak tools and start owning a sawmill that means business. Get the SM36 Max and go from logjammer to lumber legend.